Today I'm cutting up my Air Jordan 1 lows in order to make Travis Scott lows. So Nerdy Nuts reached out to me and asked to make an Air Jordan 1 low. We ended up finalizing and picking a pink and white Air Jordan Travis Scott low with a black Nike sign. So I don't have any patterns for the size that they're asking for, so we're cutting this one up and making our own. I'm using scissors, an X-Acto, and also seam ripper, links down in the description. So I got my shoe and my X-Acto knife, and now we're gonna get to cutting. So all the pieces are now cut out. Got my big old piece of paper. Gotta throw this down, if I could throw it down there. Gotta use a ruler as well as a pencil so you can erase stuff. And this is pretty much where you gotta get creative. So this is a normal Air Jordan 1. We're making an OG Travis Scott style, so we gotta kind of like mess some of the patterns around, trace it a little bit differently, if that makes sense, but we're gonna start doing that. All the patterns are now done, all traced out, ready to go to make the shoe. Now these are kind of what they look like. I'm just gonna give, you know, kind of a little look at all the pieces. Now, as you can see, with pattern making, you're gonna have lots of mistakes. So there's one little eyelet that I messed up, a second eyelet that I messed up. I finally got the third one perfect to where I want it to be. And it took, you know, lots of time. And pretty much everything is done though, and I'm super happy with it finally being done. It just took a long time. Now the materials that I'm gonna be using for this is white python, white lambskin. We're gonna be using some pink stingray, so I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited just because the material and the texture of it's gonna be super cool. And then also just a base white leather that I'm gonna be backing for the python skin. If you want to learn how to make patterns just like this, check out my shoemaking course, link down in the description. You don't want to miss that out. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Cop yourself some of the merch, link down in the description. I'm super excited to be working on these shoes and kind of like the progress and show you how to make shoes like this. As I mentioned, if you want to learn this, join my shoemaking course, 100% online. You don't want to miss that out. Also, links down in the description for all the tools I'm be using. I took a couple days off as you saw in the past, but now we're back at it, full on, ready to go. I'm getting better at thumbnails and titling, and I was working up some, you know, some video ideas just to make sure it's not redundant and it's all new, you know, material, stuff like that. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support, but thanks for watching and have a great day.